Correct? This is in reference with people who are not spiritual. If you are spiritual, means if you have that spiritual component in you, if you are centered and your vision is broad, the more people come close to you, the more amazed they are, the more inspired they become. Yeah? Here familiarity doesn't bring contempt, it brings an awe. Yeah, it started with my mother, and then I had this company of many wonderful people. And with me, it was more an intuition from within. I want to tell you, there are 7 aspects that India can really excel. Number 1 is tourism. India has the best tourism in the world, take it from me. We have the beaches, we have the snow mountains, we have the ancient monuments like nowhere else in the world. People go to see Egypt, just 2,000-year-old, 2,500-year-old. We have monuments here, 5,000-year-old, 10,000-year-old things are here. But we are underestimating it. We are not. See, the temples in Tamil Nadu are a marvel. And we have beaches, we have all aspects of tourism, but we have not exploited tourism very well. First thing is tourism. The second is our medicinal system. Ayurveda is today called the 21st century medicine. The medicine without side effects, which helps cure and establishes one's health. It's established in many places, but we are very slack on developing Ayurveda in our country. Panchakarma, which has gone to its remote villages in Kerala, is now coming up after it has been taken up by the West. You go for a Panchakarma treatment in the West paying $7,000, and then you come to India and recognize and realize how wonderful this system of medicine is. Ayurveda, herbal care. I want to remind you, a couple from California came and stayed 4 years in India, took all the medicinal plants, herbs and samples from Kerala, now they have cultivated a very beautiful farm in California. Now they say they can supply as many as those possible, the best quality of things. Because we have not attended to our own herbal resources in this country. Ayurveda, number 2. Third, the food varieties. We have so many different varieties of food from every province, but we have not popularized them. Whether it's Kerala, Avial, or from Bengal, the sweets, and or Maharashtra, Puran Poli, Masala dosa, the food varieties, they are much more tastier and even healthier than pizzas. The food items, we have not really popularizing our own food items. See, our bhujiyas and bhajia and ghatiya, mutiya, sab jitne Gujarat ka hai, dhokla, so they are very good, But we are not popularizing it, and people love it. Abroad in our courses, many different Indian foods are offered, and people go crazy over that. So they love it so much. Food items. And then fourth is spirituality and yoga. In America alone, yoga is a $27 billion industry. $27 billion. And 99% of it is with the local people there. Hardly 1%, even less than that, is with Indians. We have disowned our yoga, we have disowned our spirituality. You have heard about the Matrix movie. How many of you seen the Matrix movie? This Matrix is created on the basis of an Indian scripture called Yoga Vasishta. Have you heard about this? Do you know about it? How many of you knew that this is created on the book Yoga Vasishta. See, we have not even heard about the book. When Sri Rama was given the knowledge of yoga by Vasishta, there is a beautiful treatise called Yoga Vasishta. This book is published by the New York University. And based on this book, the Matrix film was made. Now, similarly, more than 100 universities abroad have Vedic studies, Indology, but taught by all local people. You hardly find 2% of the professors belonging of Indian origin. Because here we don't have anything, nobody knows. Because we have put them all on the shelf or never cared to bother to promote our spirituality or yoga. Always in our movies we make gimmick of any fraudulent person as a sadhu. Sadhu or sannyasi means a fraudulent. He does some fraud, jadoo, thona kuch karega, kuch gadbad karega. This type of impression we stuff in the minds of people in our movies, especially I hold Bombay responsible for that. If you go to Sri Lanka or next door Thailand, they respect their monks. In Prime Minister's office there is a cell of all the religious affairs. A monk is always sitting in Sri Lanka. Same thing in Thailand. There is certain respect for spirituality that even Pakistan has so much respect for their spirituality. You know, when the plane takes off, they say, Inshallah, the plane will land in that such and such a place. They read an ayat from Quran, and when the plane lands, they read a line from Quran. Announcements go like that. I mean, I'm not saying these are the things we must implement. I just want to make a point that they respect their spiritual traditions, their religion. We miss that here. The two states in India which claim to not respect spirituality or religion, Kerala and Bengal. You find in Bengal the crime rate is highest, in Kerala the suicide rate is highest. I mean, I don't know whether it is just by chance or just to... It proves the fact it is lack of spirituality that creates on one hand suicidal tendency or on another hand violence, crime rate. So spirituality. Next comes our clothings, the garments. The garments in India, varieties and a type is really good in the world. We only have to bring down the manufacturing cost because China is competing with us. Even all the toys and murtis are being manufactured in China now. Every Ganesh, below Ganesh is made up of China now. You see, other than that, our garment industry, very good, very good. Garment and jewellery. So 7 has come now? 6. And finally, the 7th one is IT, which you all know. IT, not IIT, IT, Information Technology. These are the 7 areas that we need to promote more and have confidence to do that. Yes. You know, I don't have one type of customers, I have many type of customers. You will find variety of them. So I can't say those who lost confidence in them only come to me. No, they also come to me. And there are many people who are inquisitive to know something more. They're very intelligent. They want to know more about themselves, about life, about world. They also come. And